If you own a 5.7 HEMI, there's one thing you need to get right before you touch a spark plug, a coil, or a misfire code: the firing order. Get it wrong, and you'll chase a rough-running engine for hours. So let's keep this simple. In the next few minutes, you'll know the exact firing order, how the cylinders are numbered, and how to use both to fix a problem fast. The firing order. Here it is, straight up. The firing order for the 5.7 HEMI is 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. That's the sequence every 5.7 HEMI follows, and it's the same across the board. Ram trucks, Dodge Chargers and Challengers, Chrysler 300 cents, Jeep Grand Cherokees. If it's got the 5.7 HEMI under the hood, it fires in that exact order. It doesn't change from year to year, and as you'll see in a minute, it doesn't even change when the engine shuts down half its cylinders to save fuel. Now, that firing order only helps you if you know which cylinder is which. And this is where a lot of people get tripped up. Stand at the front of the engine and look down at it. The driver's side holds the odd numbers, from the front of the engine to the back. That's 1, 3, 5, and 7. The passenger side holds the even numbers. Front to back, that's 2, 4, 6, and 8. So driver's side is odd, passenger side is even, and both count up as you move from the radiator toward the firewall. Lock that in, because every diagnosis starts here. You might be wondering why the order jumps around the way it does, instead of just going 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5.7 is a 90-degree V8, which means a cylinder fires every 90 degrees the crankshaft turns. Over 2 full rotations, you get 8 evenly spaced power strokes. And the order deliberately bounces from one bank to the other and from front to back, so you never get 2 neighboring cylinders firing right after each other. That balance is what makes the HEMI run smooth instead of shaking itself apart. You're on the right one. No guessing, no pulling every plug in the engine. Just the numbering and the firing order doing the work for you. And that's the 5.7 HEMI firing order, start to finish. 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. Odd on the driver's side, even on the passenger's side, counting up toward the firewall. If this cleared things up, do me a quick favor and hit that like button, and subscribe for more no-nonsense breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.